Hello guys, welcome back to the video. As we all know, in version 1.4.12, DJI has add-on feature, that is we can do the live streaming from our drone directly to any of the social media. So in this whole video, we will be checking out how we can do the live streaming from our DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2 directly on our YouTube channel. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly get into the video. So to start with the live stream, we need to first turn on our aircraft and connect our RC with our aircraft, and then connect our phone with RC, and then open our DJI Fly app. So let's quickly do the process and do our setup. So once the setup is done, you can see the Go Fly on your DJI Fly app. Once you click on Go Fly, you need to click on the three buttons that are present on the right corner. Then you need to go to the transmission. Here you see the live stream platform. Click on that. You get a RTMP option. You need to click on RTMP. In this RTMP address, you need to enter the stream address where you want to send the live output. So basically you can get the RTMP address for YouTube as well as Facebook. And I will show you how you can get the RTMP address from YouTube. So once we understand how we can get the RTMP address, then we will discuss about the live stream resolution and live stream bitrate. Once you visit your YouTube page, then at the top right corner you get the create option. You need to click on a create. Then you get two options, that is upload video and go live. Then you need to click on go live. तो वैसे आपको ये RTMP सिर्फ YouTube डेस्कटॉप पे ही मिलेगा. YouTube स्टूडियो जो फ़ोन एप्लीकेशन है वहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा. तो टू गेट दिस RTMP एड्रेस यू नीड टू यूज़ अ YouTube डेस्कटॉप मोड. So once you start on your live stream, the output window, the small black window which you are seeing, ये आपका आउटपुट के लिए वेट करेगा. जो मतलब DJI Fly से या कौन से भी RTMP फीड से जहाँ पे से भी YouTube इनपुट आएगा उसके लिए वेट कर रहा है, इसीलिए ये ब्लैक इसमें बफर हो रहा है. तो बेसिकली यू नीड टू एंटर द RTMP इन योर DJI Fly app टू सेंड द स्ट्रीम फ्रॉम DJI Fly app टू दिस YouTube पोस्ट. तो इसके लिए आपको यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है ना, हियर यू विल गेट अ लिंक. सो यू नीड टू कॉपी दैट लिंक एंड पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर. विद दैट लिंक you need to use a / and enter the stream key. You should not share this stream key with anyone. If anyone gets this stream key, then anyone can send a output to your YouTube channel. तो वैसे आपको YouTube URL stream URL जो है उसको और उसी के साथ stream key यूज़ करना है. जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हो सेम उसी तरह यूज़ करना है. लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे सैम्पल के लिए लाइव स्ट्रीम करके लिख रहा हूँ स्ट्रीम की करके, लेकिन आपको स्ट्रीम की नहीं लिखना है. आपको जो वो की है उसको कॉपी पेस्ट करना है / के साथ एज शोन इन द वीडियो. वंस यू गेट दिस RTMP URL विद द स्ट्रीम की, यू नीड टू एंटर दिस इन योर DJI Fly app which we previously saw. We need to enter it in the RTMP. So guys, apart from this you get latency settings where you can choose low latency, normal latency or ultra low latency. This you can select based on your internet connection. And the other thing is you need to enable the DVR setting, and the other thing is you need to disable the 360 video. For going live you get another option, that is edit option, where you can give the title to your live stream. You can add a description. You can list out whether it should be public or unlisted. You can add a thumbnail. You can add it to a playlist. You can add hashtags to reach more people. So all these settings you get. You need to do this before you start a live video. Now as we have got our RTMP address, now let's get into the DJI Fly app and enter the RTMP address. So as you can see on the screen, I have already entered the RTMP address as I was previously testing this video. So I have entered the same RTMP address, and you guys can also see that we have two other options, that is live stream resolution and live stream bitrate. So basically live stream resolution can be chosen based on what kind of output you need to produce, like 1080p or 720p. You can select on your requirement. In the same way, you can also select the live stream bitrate, like 5 mbps and 3 mbps are the options. So if you select 5 mbps, you need a high internet connection. If you select 3 mbps, then basically you need a slow internet connection, like normal internet connection. For this test, I will be selecting 720p and 3 mbps. Once you set OK, the timer will start and live streaming will be start. You can see on the top there is a red button. Here you get two options where you can disable your mic and enable your mic, and another option is exit. If you click on exit, then the live stream will be exited. In that particular notification bar, you can also see your network connection. Like when you're doing the live stream, you need to keep your internet connection on. Now you can see on the screen that you are able to see the live stream on our laptop. As my internet is bit slower, YouTube is giving a notification that stream is not properly being received on the YouTube. So for a proper live streaming, we need a good internet connection. So now we saw that the stream is received in the channel where we were broadcasting or where we were going live. So as a viewer, we will take another mobile and check whether we are able to see the stream properly or not. So as you can see on the screen that our live stream has appeared in the search bar and it's totally working fine. So as said before, my internet connection is a bit poor, so it's buffering a lot. And even on the screen you can see that live chat is also available. So with this, we got the confirmation that the live stream is working totally fine at the viewer end as well as the broadcaster end, and even DJI Fly app is working totally fine. So let's take it outdoor and fly our drone and test whether the live stream can be fed directly to the YouTube or not. Now you guys can see on the screen that our DJI Fly app and live view on other phone are totally going same, and the stream is exactly being passed without any drops. So it's working totally fine. This stream depends on your internet connection and totally working fine. You can use this method to go live.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.